Hello everyone, welcome to WebTech Tutorials. Today's tutorial is about how to log in to Noom with Facebook. Before moving on, if you have not subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button to WebTech Tutorials for our helpful web videos. Moving on to today's topic, to log in Noom application with Facebook. You can download the Noom application and install it freely from Play Store. You also must be logged into your Facebook account in your device while logging into with your Facebook. Noom application is basically designed for health by the physiologist, the psychiatrist and nutritionist that helps to manage your well-being, your health, fitness. So tap open the Noom application to log in with Facebook. You can see there is the login now button at the bottom of the screen. Here you will get login with Facebook option. Once you tap on that, now Facebook will take your information. Once you tap on the continue button, now this will take information from your Facebook account such as your username, your profile picture and email address, and therefore it will be now signing you into your account in the Noom with your Facebook account information. In this way, you will be successfully logged into the Noom account from Facebook. I hope this video was helpful to you guys in learning how to log into Noom with Facebook account. Thank you for watching our video till the end. Do like and subscribe to our channel. Also hit the bell icon for more upcoming tutorials. If you have any comments or questions, you can mention them in the comment section.